Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today's March 9, 2019. Here's another drop for the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700. This one is the Inertia by Kanye West. Let's go ahead and check out real quick. So as you can see, every time when we are going to Adidas.com, it says you are in the waiting room. We are still working hard to eliminate bot activity, so the launch will be slightly delayed. The sale will start within the next 15 minutes. So let's go ahead and check on Yeezy Supply real quick. So as you see, Yeezy Supply, the sale, you can purchase right away. There's a size 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5. 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, 10, 10.5, 11, 11.5, and size 12. But the problem with the Yeezy Supply, you can purchase right away, but you gotta pay additional $20 for the shipping fee. Versus Adidas, sometimes you gotta wait like 30 to a couple hours just to wait in the waiting room like a dummy. That's the only problem that I don't like it. Let's see. So it says this product is excluded from all discount offers and promotions. Only one product per person. This product can be returned within 7 days of the delivery date. Let's go ahead and check on StockX right now, see how much it's going for right now. So size 9.5 last sales was about $369. And currently asking price is $369. Somebody tried to bid for $350. Let's go ahead and check out all the sizes right now, see how much. So size 4 is $409. 4.5 is $400. Size 5 is $404. Size 5 is $405. Size 5.5 is $410. Size 6 is $414. 6.5 is $398. 7 $396. But all these are just asking price. Nobody's bidding right now, so I got 9 $368, 9 $369. So if you have a size 14, 15, 16, those are going for slightly higher, and 12.5, $439. 15 is $589, 16 is $590. So I'm not sure how they get all those big sizes, because the most big size I've seen is about size 14. Let's go ahead and check on Adidas.com again. So yeah, like you always had to wait in line. So if you have money to spend like $20 additional, I would rather suggest you to go with the EasySupplies.com for a faster checkout. But if you want to buy resell, you might want to wait in Adidas.com, because $300 plus tax. Let me see. You're probably looking at about like $327 with tax and everything. But if you purchase on the Adidas.com plus additional $20, you're probably looking at about $350 almost already. And if you try to resell it at the StockX, it take additional 10% cut, whatever that you sell. So you're gonna end up losing money with those regular sizes. All right. So hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop it in the comments on below. And I don't think I'm going to cop this pair today. All right. See you guys on the next one. Peace.